Hi, we're Blix and Bess. For the past 7 months, we've been traveling in our van, but the last 2 weeks, we've been in Puerto Rico and taking in the amazing land of the Boricua people. Our time here is wrapping up, but before we say goodbye, we are traveling outside of the bustling energy of San Juan for some coastal peace, and then later in the week, the breathtaking Yunque RainForest. As always, welcome, don't forget to subscribe, and enjoy!
Good morning, everybody. So we left you yesterday. We didn't make it to Rincon Beach, but we did make it to that wonderful, Ojo de Agua beach, and that was really nice. But we finally made it over to Rincon today, and we found this little hike in this cove that we're gonna take you along with us in. And Bess is over here making some sandwiches for our extravaganza. And we had a pretty early morning, so we're excited to get this going today. So here's Bess.
Hi folks, good morning. Just making some good old peanut butter sandwiches for the hike. It's really beautiful to be here. Glad we made it. It took about 2 hours to get here from Condado Beach.
Yeah.
Not too much traffic. It was pretty nice. Pretty easy breezy drive. Glad we made it. It is quite beautiful here. If any of y'all been to Oahu, I liken it to being like North Shore, you know? That's kind of what it feels like. Anyway,
Wonderful.
Made some peanut butter sandwiches.
Can we cut mine in half?
Oh, we're gonna cut Blix's in half because they're a baby. Just kidding, sweet. I'm gonna cut mine in half too because I'm a baby.
Peaceful here.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice to get away from the hustle and bustle of San Juan.
Yeah.
Even though it's a fun spot, it's nice to have a rig, as Bess likes to call it, to explore different parts of the island. So yeah, that's kind of the situation, but we're really enjoying ourselves and excited for another little hike. There's supposed to be caves on this hike, so we'll definitely show you those. I get my peaches out in Georgia. I don't smoke weed, but if I got it, I'd get it from California.
Yep, that's right.
We got a nice local kombucha.
Caribe Kombucha from Rincon, and that's where we are. All right, folks, we are ready. We have our lunch gear and our backpacks, our water. We're ready to hit this trail. Let's go. nice little spot to have some sandwiches. before we take a little dip into the water. Alright folks, we made it back to our rig.
I am swamped.
I know, that was lovely, but
That was awesome.
it was awesome. What are we doing now?
I just wanted to let them know about me getting hit in the head.
Oh yeah, on our way back, Blix hit their head on a tree.
2 trees. So
And they blamed it on me.
Well, Bess is walking in front of me and she just slides right under him like no big deal. And like, I don't know, I feel like the person in the front should warn.
Well,
and she's shorter than me.
Yeah, I'm straight up like 4 inches shorter than Blix, so my reality is just different.
I got hit with reality hard.
Okay folks, so we're gonna head out here before it gets dark and we can maybe catch the sunset on the road. We're kind of 15 miles outside of Rincon proper, so we could not 15 miles, 15 minutes. So we could totally drive out there just to kind of maybe see like the little town, maybe grab a coconut. Only 15 minutes.
Alright.
Or we might just head back to
We're unsure,
Condado.
folks.
We're unsure. That's what's nice. Island time, island vibes. You just go with the flow. So we're just gonna hop back in the car and we'll see where we end up. I'll see you later. Hey folks, we are in bed. When we left off with you, we realized we didn't even make it to Rincon. We were about 45.
Thought we did.
Yeah, we thought we did. We were 45 minutes outside of Rincon. We were actually in this other place called, right here. I'm putting a little map right here. Right here. There'll be a little map of where we actually were. But it was beautiful nonetheless. It took us 2 hours to get back to Condado area, but we met up with Lucia and Will again, the newlyweds, and had dinner with them. But yeah, and then we got back and we just been
I showered immediately to get all this.
I still haven't showered. I got to shower, but y'all, this is our second to last night here in Puerto Rico. And we actually, on our last full day tomorrow, we're going to elyunque, which is like the rainforest to go to here in Puerto Rico. And we did get a ticket to at least enter the forest, and we were scavenging. We were looking for some guided tour tickets, but everything is sold out. All right, folks, we're gonna hit the hay because we are exhausted, and I still gotta get ready and do stuff for the morning, but we will see you on our way to Yunque RainForest. Good night.
Good night.
Morning, everybody. Let's go to the rainforest. Woo!
Oh, this is cool. This is straight up a jungle. I'm amazed. I'm truly amazed. And it's not insanely sunny because of all the trees. It's pretty wild. I just found a sunspot though.
We're gonna move on to a different part of the forest, I believe, but this was a nice way to start the day, work up a little appetite, maybe eat a little peanut butter sandwich. And we're back in the car and on our way to another location.
This gate right here closes at 5, which means at 4:30 you have to be on your way down and park on designated areas so you don't get a ticket for that.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. So we made it inside Yunque RainForest, and Bess switched into her dress that she's obsessed with. And every time she wears this dress, she gets a little cuckoo.
it's started to downpour. Good timing on our part. We got to see a couple waterfalls. We don't really know what else to do because A, it's raining, but also we're kind of low on gas. And we should probably head out of the park. And we could come back in if we wanted to after getting some gas, but unless we want to do like a big trail, there isn't much more we can do. But there are some shops on the side of the road we might stop by. I'm gonna drive around a little bit and see where we land, and we'll keep you updated soon. Hopefully my lens is, ooh, it's fogging up because the condensation inside of here probably. All right, folks, pray for my lens. Simon, you want to try the vegan empanadas? Alrighty, we decided to, we just drove down from the forest and we parked and went to a souvenir shop, got a couple things, and then we are here at this little acai bowls vegan smoothie spot. We ordered 2 acai bowls and 1 vegan empanadas to try. We've been really into acai bowls lately, so yeah, it's super cute. It's called Degree 18 Juice Bar. Fun. Just got some acai bowls. Yum,
So
yum.
good. We are just wrapping up the evening. We're making some dinner.
We kind of crashed for a few hours the moment we got back to the Airbnb after the rainforest kind of took it out of us. So we're just trying to finish up the last of the food that we have that we got for the week.
We're trying to clean up a bit before we go.
We're checking out tomorrow.
So it's kind of a mess in here.
Very much of a mess.
As you can see, we're gonna do laundry, pack, get rid of everything that we don't need,
Yeah.
and take the trash out.
We got some cigars from that little shop we went to.
Well, yep, we did get some more cigars, which should be fun to try.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll
Probably just we're gonna eat dinner and just call it an evening. It's not that crazy of a night for our last night in Puerto Rico, but
Yeah.
we both feel like we're gonna be back one day.
yeah, we're
soon,
definitely
so.
coming back at some point. Some Beyond Meat, cheese, lettuce, and peppers.
Yum.
And then I wash it down with a fresh local kombucha.
Fun.
Cheers. I'm gonna eat these and we will definitely see you tomorrow if we don't see you later tonight.
Bye.
Good morning, folks. Today is our last day in Puerto Rico. Last day with this view. Can you see it behind me? You're gonna miss it very much. But we are here and we are ready to see the boys and get back to Peach. I'm excited to see Peach. We are just packing up right now. We have about 20 minutes till we gotta be out of the Airbnb. So then we're gonna go drop off the rental car and pretty much just head to the airport, I think. But we will see you along the way.
All right, folks, we just dropping off the car. Blix is returning it right now, and we're gonna order an Uber to the airport. I'm excited to go back home to Peach, see my mom, see the boys. It's been a perfect amount of time for a vacation, a wedding, a performance. All this has been fun. I love air travel as well, but there's nothing like being on the open road again, so I'm excited to get back into Peach soon, do some of our maintenance that we've been needing to do on him, and hit the road again.
back.
We're
folks.
back in Peach. We missed you so much.
We missed you, Peach.
We love you. We're so happy to be back. It's pretty late here in Los Angeles. Pobo picked us up. The flight and traveling was pretty easy peasy.
Traffic was pretty backed up from
Yeah.
LAX, so we were stuck in traffic for a couple hours, maybe 3, but
Not 3.
okay, maybe 2.5.
No, like 45 minutes.
No way.
Yes,
No way.
Yes.
2 hours.
Bet $15.
We'll ask Pobo and let you know.
Yeah, but we have showered, getting ready for the bed. We have showered, we're getting ready for bed. We're gonna get the boys from Pobo, and we're all gonna be reunited in here. But I think this is where we're gonna end the vlog this week. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you joining us in our time in Puerto Rico. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
It was a great time.
And if you haven't already, please don't forget to
Subscribe!
Woo!
And like and comment on the video.
It really helps
If
us
you'd
out.
like,
Yeah,
yeah.
we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so who's gonna get us there?
If you do subscribe, let us know in the comments so we can thank you.
Yeah, thank you in advance.
We got a handful of things we got to get fixed and ready in the van before we hit the road again. So we will most definitely be taking you along with us as we get things all prepped and excited for this next week.
Yeah. So we'll see you next week. And before we go, we just wanted to wish my dad a big happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. We love you. If y'all don't know, if you look at the comments section every week, my dad, Michael, he leaves the best comments for us
Every week,
and we really look forward to them. He's just been so supportive of our journey and watches our channel every week, and we really look forward to seeing what he liked about the video. So,
and sometimes didn't like.
yeah, sometimes he's very honest. We love
We
it.
trust his opinion.
Yes. So, I'm sure y'all will meet him at some point on here, or you have before, back in the Louisiana days. We FaceTimed with him,
Yes,
so go
yeah.
check that out if you haven't. But yeah, please wish my dad a happy birthday. We love you so much, Daddy, and we can't wait to see you soon.
Love you. Happy
Love-
birthday.
Happy birthday. We'll see y'all next week.
Bye.
Good night. All right, folks, we have to hit the step. Good morning, everybody. Let's go to the. Oh.
Did. And it goes, and it goes, and it goes a little something like this. GoPro down, GoPro down, GoPro down, GoPro down.
Oh, God. Honey, I dropped ya.
All right, so everybody, folks, peeps.
Great. All right, that's one way.
I will love you different.
Really?